Hello students, today let us learn 5th standard chapter 2 operations on large numbers. Exercise 2.1. First main, express the following numerals using commas to separate the period in the Indian place value chart. So they have asked us to separate the numerals by using commas and separate it with Indian place value chart. Let us see. Let us see the chart. This is Indian place value chart. In the Indian place value chart, you start from ones. That is from ones, tens, hundred. And this is a group called ones group. Next is thousand and 10,000, and this is called thousands group. And lakh, 10 lakh is called lakhs group, and crore, 10 crore is called crores group. So we got four groups. There is ones group, thousands group, lakhs group, and crores group. O, capital letter O is a short form for ones, and T is for tens, H is for hundred, TH is for thousand, TH is for 10,000, L for lakh, TL for 10 lakhs, C for crore, TC for 10 crores. Let us solve with the example. Example they are given is 2, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. So this example, we don't have the number, let us fill this number in an Indian place value chart by starting with 5 towards the ones number. That is 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 2. So starting with ones, we have filled all the numbers up to 10 crores, and here you can see this 5, 8, 7 is in ones group, and 6, 5 is in thousands group, 4, 6 is in lakhs group, and 2, 5 is in crores group. So by looking at this, we can say that this is 25 crores. We can say this is 25 crores, 64 in lakhs, that is 64 lakhs, 56 is thousands, and 785 is ones. By looking at this table or filling the numbers with the table, we can say easily the numbers. We can read the numbers easily. It is 25 crores, 64 lakhs, 56,785. Okay. Now here after 3 digits, that is 785, we should write a comma here, and in 56, after 56 there is 56,000. After 56, let us draw a comma, and after 64 lakhs, it's 64 lakhs, let us write a comma, and 25, it is 25 crores. Now it is called 25 crores, 64 lakhs, 56,785. Let us see next question. First question, the given is 236479. So let us fill this number in a table. This is a table I have written. So let us write from the right side. That is once, that is 9, yes 7, next is 4, 6, 3, 2. So this is 2 lakh, 2 is in L place, that is lakhs, 2 is in lakhs place, 3, 6 in thousands place, 4, 7, 9 in hundreds place, that is 2 lakhs, that is 6,479. So this by using the table, and we can separate with the numbers with the commas. That is 2 lakhs, that is 6,479. Next question, 4598673. Let us fill this number in a Indian place value chart. Here is a chart. You should fill the numbers with the ones place, that is from the ones, tens, 100. So you can't fill from 10 lakhs, 10 crores in the numbers now. So we should come with ones, tens, 100. So let us write in ones place, that is 3, and 7 in tens place, 6 in hundreds, 8 in thousand, 9 in 10,000 place, lakh, that is 5 in lakhs place, and 4 in 10 lakhs place. So by looking at this number, we can say that 4, 5, that is 4, 5, 45 lakhs place, 4, 5 is in lakhs, 98 is in thousands place, 98,673, and we can separate here with commas, that is 45 lakhs, 98,673. That is 45 lakhs, 98,673. Next question. 76254983. So let us fill this number in the table, starting with ones, that is 3, 8, 9, 4, 5, 2, 6 and 7. So here we got 7 is in crores place. So you should read as number. Here put a comma in a crores place and lakhs place and comma, in thousands place and comma. That is 7 crores 62 lakhs 54,983. So this is the answer. Answer is 7 crores 62 lakhs 54,983. Next question. 920516034. So let us fill the number in a Indian place value chart. That is from starting with ones, that is from left side, that is 4 3 0 6 1 5 0 2 9. So here we got up to 10 crores place, that is 92 in crores place, 05, that is 5 lakhs in lakhs place, thousands place, that is 16 in thousands place, and 034 in ones place. Totally 92 crores. So 5, this is only 5 lakhs, called it read as only 5 lakhs. This is 16,034. This is 92 crores, 5 lakhs, 16,034. It's 92 crores, 5 lakhs, 16,034. Next question. 854668 So let us fill the numbers in an Indian place value chart. Starting with ones, that is 0 0 1 8 6 6 4 5 8. So here we have filled up to 10 crore place, that is 85 crores 46 lakhs 68,000 and 100, that is 100. So here 85 crores 46 lakhs 68,000 and 100. Next question. 38000507. Let us fill it in Indian place value chart. Starting with ones, that is 7 0 5 0 0 0 0 and 8 3. So this is called read as 38 crores, and there is no numbers in lakhs place, there is no number in thousands place, so the only number in 507. So it is read as 38 crores 507. So here we read it as 38 crores 507. Next question. Write the following numerals in words. We have to write in words. So here they are given the numbers 295708. So let us separate with commas. That is 2,95,708. So this is ones place, this is thousands place, this is lakhs place. So write as 2,95,708. So 2,95,708. Okay, next question. 1407319. So let us separate with commas first. That is 14. So we got 14 lakhs 7,319. So we can write in words easily. That is 14 lakh 7,319. Okay. Let us see next question. 120,43056. Here let us separate with commas first. That is 1, 20 and 43 and 056. So this is ones place, this is thousands place, this is lakhs, and this is crore. So it is read as 1 crore 20 lakhs 43,056. So 1 crore 20 lakhs 43,056. Okay, next question. 50834570. Let us separate with commas first. That is ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakhs, comma, so crore. So 5 is in crores place, 8 is in lakhs place, 34 is in thousand, 570 in ones place. So 5, that is 5 crores, 8 lakhs, 34,570. So we write it as 5 crore, 8 lakhs, 34,570. Next question. 230 305211. Let us separate with commas. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakhs, comma, crore, 10 crore. So that is 23 crores, 3 lakhs, 5,211. So we read it as 23 crores, 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs, 5,000, 5,200, 211. So 11. Okay, next question. 920517068. So here now with separating with commas, there is ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, crore, 10 crore. This is 92 crores. 92 is in crores place. So after writing this, 92 crores, 5 is in lakhs place, 5 lakhs, 17,000. So 17,000, only 68. There is no number in hundreds place, therefore it is only 60 and 8. Next question. Third main, write the following numerals in figures. So you have to write in figures. They will be giving in words. Or no, words now figures. So let us see. First question. 74 lakh 10,507. Let us draw a table first. After drawing the tables, so let us fill the numbers according to the words. This 74 lakh. So 74 lakh means we have to fill in lakhs place. It is 74 lakhs. So this is in lakhs place. 10,000. So in thousands place, I write 10. That is 10,500. So in hundreds place, I write 5 and 7 in the last. That means this is in ones place. So 7 in the last. And the remaining, we have to write 0 in tens place. So here we read it as 74 lakh 10,507. Okay, let us see. Next question. 39 lakh 302. So first let us draw a table for and fill the numbers in the table. That is 39 lakhs. So you have to write fill 39 in lakhs place. So this is lakhs place. You have to fill 39 in lakhs place and 300. 300 in hundreds place. That is hundreds place. You have to write 3 and last number is 2. So write it 2 in ones place. So total is, and the remaining there is no number in thousands place. So let us add zeros in thousands place. Now we read it as 39 lakhs. There is no number in thousands place. So we will read it as 39 lakhs 302. So this number is 39 lakhs 302. Next question. 2 crore 41 lakhs 5,063. So let us fill in table crores place. 2 crores. 2 crore in crores place. We have to write 2 in crores. Don't write in 10 crores place. Write only in crores place. That is 2 crores 41 lakh. 41 lakhs in lakhs place. That is 41. 5,000 in thousands place. They are giving only 5. So you can't write here. That is in 10,000 place. So I have to write 0 and 5 in thousands place. And last 63. They are given 63. There is no number in hundreds place. So 0 in hundreds place and 63. It is read as 2 crores 41 lakhs. This is 5,063. 2 crore 41 lakhs 5,063. Okay. Next question. 6 crore 5 lakhs 9,175. So let us fill in the table. That is 6 crore. 6 crore in crore place. So only 6 you have to write here, not in 10 crores. 10 crores only crores place is you have to write 6. 5 lakh. So 5 in lakhs place. So you write 5 in lakhs place. 9,000. So they are given only 9,000, 10,000 lakhs. So 9,000 only 9,100. So hundreds place of 175. So 75 and remaining number between numbers you have to fill with 0. Now this is read as 6 crore. 6 is in crores place. So here 5 is in lakhs place. 9 is in thousand. That is 6 crores. 5 lakhs 9,175. 6 crores 5 lakhs 9,175. Next number 10 crore 53,109. So let us fill in the tables. 10 crore. The given 10 crore, we have to write 10 crore place 10 crore 53,000. So 53,000. You can't write 53 in lakhs place. Lakhs place break agala. You have to write in thousands place. It is 53. Thousands place. So in lakhs place, you have to add zeros. 53,109. So I have to write 109. So this is read as 10 crores. So lakhs place ಏನಿಲ್ಲ 53,109. That is 10 crore 53,109. Next question. 22 crores 7 lakhs 8,518. So they given 22 crores. Let us fill in the table. In the crores table, let us fill it 22 crores. 22 crores. Now 7 lakhs. They give only 7 lakhs. Lakhs basically you have to write only 7. This is 0 7. 8,000, and again in thousands place they give only 8, that is 0 8 8,500. So in hundred place you have to write 5, and last number is 18, so that is 1 8. Now it is 22 crores 7 lakhs 8,518. So this is 22 crores place, like 22 crores 7 lakhs, so 8,518. And remaining problems you have to solve it by yourself. Okay, next main. Making use of Indian place value chart, find the place value of each of the following digits in the numbers. So 3 6 7 4 0 5 2 8 1. So they are given the numbers. We have to making use of Indian place value chart and find the place value of each of the digits. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು digit ನಾವು ಒಂದು value ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So let us first draw the table and fill the number, that is 1 8 2 5 0 4 7 6 3. So it is 36 crore 74 lakhs and 5,281. So ಇದನ್ನ we have to write the place value of each of the numbers. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು number ನಾವು place value ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That is, so let us take the first number, that is in ones place. Ones place 1 ಇದೆ 1. The place value of 1 is equal to 1 is in ones place. So 1 into 1. 1 is multiplied with 1 only ones place is equal to 1. The value of 1 is 1. Here the place value of 8 is in tens place. 8 to tens place ಇದೆ. So we have to multiply 8 with 10. That is 8 into 10 is 80. The value of 8 is in 80. Place value of 2. So 2 ಯಾವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? 2 is in hundreds place. 2 is in hundreds place. That is why you have to multiply 2 into 100. This 2 into 100 is 200. The value of 2 is 200. Place value of 5 is equal to 5,000. Place value of 5 is in 5,000 place. So that is 5 into 1000 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get the answer 5,000. Therefore the place value of 5 is equal to 5,000. The same way, this place value of 0 is equal to 0 is in 10,000 place. So 0 into 10,000 is 0 only. So the value of 0 is always 0. Next number, that is 4. 4 is in lakhs place. 4 is in lakhs place. You have to multiply 4 into lakh. 4 into 1 lakh is, that is 4 lakh. So the value of 4 is 4 lakhs. The value of 7. The place value of 7 is in 10 lakhs place. Therefore 7 into 10 lakhs. When you multiply 7 into 10 lakhs, answer is 70 lakhs. So 7. The place value of 7 is 70 lakhs place. Next, that is 6. The place value of 6 is in 6 crores place. So when you multiply 6 into 1 crore, that is 6 crores. You get 6 crores. Then the value of 6 is equal to 6 crores. Other last, place value of 3 is equal to 3 is in 10 crore place. 3 is in 10 crore place. Therefore 3 multiplied with 10 crore is equal to 30 crore. Therefore the value of 3 is 30 crores. Next question. Using Indian system of numeration, write the place value of the underlined digit in each of the following. So they are given some number and they have underlined a digit. We have to write the place value of underlined number, that is 5. Here the first question, that is 950625432. Here they have underlined 5. We have to write the place value of 5 in this number. So place value of 5, how to find is ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakhs, comma, crore. That is 5 is in crores place. You have to write 5 first, and remaining numbers you have to write zeros. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. If you add 7 zeros to it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this becomes 5 crore. So here the value of 5, that is underlined word digit is 5. The value of 5 is 5 crore. Therefore, the value of 5 is place value is 5 crore. You got it? Next question. 735609412. So in our according to Indian place value number system, there is ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs. So 6 is in lakhs place. Therefore, the place value of 6 is equal to 6 lakhs. You have to write 6 lakh. That's all. Third question. 280307514. So 2, they have underlined 2, and 2 is in which place? Let us see. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, crore, 10 crore. So 2 is in 10 crores place. You have to write 2, and remaining number you have to write all the numbers as 0. Here the place value of 2 is 20 crore. Next number 187605247. Here they underlined 7. Let us find the value. Tons, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 7 is in 10 lakhs place. Therefore, the place value of 7 is 70 lakhs. Next question. 246053819. So here they have underlined 0. The place value of 0. So 0 is in ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000. So lakh. 0 is in lakhs place. When you multiply 0 into 1 lakh, the product will be 0 only. So therefore, the place value of 0 will always remain 0. Next number 5139460007. Here they have underlined 7. Let us find the value. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh. So 9 is in lakhs place. That is the place value. The place value is equal to 9 lakhs. Here we have come to the end of this part. Let us see you in next video. Till that, take care. Thank you.